All right, we're gonna do a quick little part 2 of this so you can see with the carriage off. I mean, you could see ultra filth. Very cool though. Inside here, I was using the shift lever and I was noticing some weird sounds. And so I looked down inside here. Look at how filthy that is. And there was these film negatives falling in between the cracks. So hold these up to the light. And we got some pictures of some grandparents feeding their newborn. Very cool negatives. But that's interesting. This is the first negatives I've seen. I don't know if we could see. Oh yeah, there's the mother and child. Let's see. Yeah, there's a mother and child, and the guy standing in the mirror. Another baby picture. A couple of feedings. But yeah, it's very cool. This one's gonna be cleaned up, but I just wanted to show that off because that's interesting things you find inside of a typewriter. Family photos. All right, guys.